On in this session I am going to explain you guys how to create a company code. Okay, in my last session I have explained about how to create a company and the T code is OX15 OX15. Okay, in this session I am going to explain clearly about how to create a company code. Okay, and also one more thing I forgot to mention in my last video about the way of path to check the T code. Okay, you can check your T code here. For example, OX15. This is one way you can check OX15 and click on find. Then you can find the path, or else you can give a command SPRO and hit enter. Then you will get a page like this. You can click SAP reference IMG, and then you can go to enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. Here you can see define a company. This is what the T code, which is this is the pathway for the T code which we have given OX15. If you click on here, it will execute. See, here you can search the here you can click the position, you could give the company name, you could search, then automatically here you can see ABCDE technologies. Okay, and now let's get back to the creation of the company code /n. Okay, and we can also give like a /n OX02, but for this is the starting videos, right? So I will explain you slowly. Now give the company code OX02 and hit enter. You will get a page like this. You should click on the new entries or F5 button. Then you will get a company code. You need to give 4 letters for a company code. We have given the company name as ABCDE. Okay, now I am giving ABCT, like ABC Technologies is the company name, and the city which it is located is Chennai. No, I'll give it as Hyderabad, and country IN, enter. Currency INR, enter. Language English, enter. And here you can click on the save button, and it will ask automatically, it will ask the title, everything. In real time you need to give all the title, you need to fill the name, everything, and the thing which is with the star marks are very important. For now you can give country India. Okay, and here you can fill all the company details, the street house number, postal code, and post box address, communication, everything. And after you can click on the copy, then it will ask automatically to create the transport request. Okay, here we can give a description like creation of company code. Okay, click on save, and here you can see the transport request number. If you have any doubt, you can click on the copy, and here you can see like what all operations we have done, like with this creation of company code, creation of company yesterday, and you can click on choose. Then you can click on the button, automatically the data was saved. You can see the details by clicking here. This is the message, like here if you get any error, if you save any data, you can view the details. So it will show automatically with the message number and what all diagnosis you have done and what system response you have received. Okay, and that's all for this video. I hope you guys have understood very clearly how to create a company code. If you guys like my explanation, you could give a like, and you could share this video to the friends who would like to learn SAP, and subscribe for more upcoming sessions. Thank you so much guys, have a good day.